Avail July 1st. Turnkey and gated community ready for 3-month plus term leasing available at the Seasons. Boasts a 3-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom home that reflects a West Indies style. This courtyard home features a private oasis open floor plan with wood plank tile floors in the living areas and bedrooms, as well as high ceilings for an airy feel. The home boasts a tropical pool area with a covered patio, where you can spend your afternoons in relaxation. Glass sliders lead you from the living area to the pool and patio areas. Each bedroom comes with its own bathroom and custom closets for storage,